Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you're going to open a PayPal account on your own from your mobile phone.
Are you a freelancer or an affiliate marketer? Or maybe you do business online and you are from Nigeria? Then this video is for you. I will teach you how you can use PayPal from Nigeria to receive and send money online.
Some time ago I tried a freelancing job in a particular website, and they told me that for me to be able to accept payments, I must have a verified PayPal account. So what did I do? I went on to research how I can get a verified PayPal account that can accept payments in Nigeria. You know that the normal Nigerian PayPal account cannot accept payments. So as I went there, I saw people that were telling me I should get a VPN to read out from America. But I know that if I get a VPN, if PayPal eventually finds out that I'm not from United States, they are going to block my account. And if I've gotten money already, it's going to be a wasted money. So what did I do? I now looked for the legit way I can do it. And that legit way is what I'm going to show you today, right from your smartphone. Yes, that smartphone you're holding in your hand, you can use it to open a verified PayPal account right here in Nigeria. So stay with me, and also remember to subscribe. Welcome back. So first of all, we look for Chrome, the Chrome browser. Good. We open it, and then we go to that three vertical dots on top. We click it, and then scroll down. You see desktop site. Click it. If you open the desktop site for you, when you get to this desktop site, type in this web address paypal.com/ls paypal.com/ls. Remember, LS stands for Lesotho. Lesotho is an African country where you can send and receive money via PayPal. Okay, so we are inside this place. Good. You look for login. Login. Look at login. Okay, good. This is login. You click. Then you click on sign up. Good. When you get to this page, you click on business accounts. Select business accounts. Then you click on continue. When you come to this page, you simply enter your email address at the point where there is space for it and click continue. So when you continue, they will show you this page. You enter your business contacts, tell us about your business, everything about your business. Also remember to put your Nigerian phone number +234. Search for it and you put it there. Then you can just Google your postal code of the place you're living, and then put it inside that place. Accept terms and conditions, agree and continue. Okay, so it will open up to this page. Describe your business. So you go and describe your business. So initially I chose sole proprietor. So but the questions was too much, so I had to go back and choose individual sole proprietor. But if you have answer, if you have corporation, choose corporation. If you have partnership, choose partnership. In case tomorrow they want you to confirm your account, you can always send your CAC certificates, documents of registration. You use it and know that actually your business is a registered business. Click continue. So you just fill in this new one. Tell us about yourself. You just tell them about you, everything they need to know about you. Okay, then remember to choose Nigeria, and then put your ID card. They'll show you Nigerian ID cards that are available that you can use to show you that it's legit. When you just finish this, you go back and go to your mail and then confirm your PayPal, confirm your email address, and then from there you can continue. So when your email address is verified, you can now see that you can actually request or send funds, which cannot be done from the normal Nigerian PayPal account. So you can also offer PayPal checkout on your website. That means if you have a website, you can tell them to pay you with PayPal. Basically, that is how you make payments with PayPal accounts. You see, it's not difficult. It's very, very easy and legit. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that we can be getting more tips on how you can use your smartphone, that phone on your hand, as personal computer without having to buy laptop